Construction activity at Camp Nou remains intense, with multiple elevated platforms, cranes, and specialized crews operating simultaneously across several high-impact zones. Progress is clearly visible on structural frameworks, facade systems, mechanical installations, and roof-related components as the project advances toward key milestones. Multiple platforms are working intensively across the North Goal sector as finishing work progresses rapidly. Structural framing, staircases, and enclosure elements are nearing completion. Industry expectations suggest this section may become operational by the end of February, increasing stadium capacity to approximately 62,000 spectators, a significant milestone in Camp Nou's phased reopening strategy. The distinctive diamond-shaped café structure in the tribune area now features most of its glass panels successfully installed. Only a few upper corner sections and areas above entry points remain incomplete. The structural framework at the rear is still exposed, awaiting concrete work and final enclosure treatments. New facade louvers have been installed in the south corner section, particularly along the prominent angled steel brackets. Several additional louvers have been secured vertically, gradually filling in the facade pattern. More louver units remain stacked nearby in staging areas, ready for continued installation. Several elevated platforms remain active across the tribune section, supporting ongoing structural finishing and interior installation tasks. While some scaffolding areas appear temporarily inactive, interior zones continue showing steady progress with workers focusing on detailed finishing elements. Elevated platforms remain highly active on the stair towers, where additional beams and framing components are being systematically installed. These vertical circulation structures are gradually being enclosed as concrete panels are placed in lower sections, and sandwich panels follow above. New sandwich panels are being installed around several stair cores throughout the stadium. Concrete panels are positioned strategically in lower sections for durability, while lightweight sandwich panels are added above for thermal efficiency, gradually enclosing circulation zones. The diamond structure designated for the official stadium store remains partially glazed. Glass panels are stacked nearby and ready for installation, with remaining gaps concentrated primarily above entrance areas. Large quantities of louvers are visible across multiple staging areas, stacked systematically and prepared for lifting operations. The dedicated louver installation crane is positioned nearby, with the volume of stored louvers suggesting several weeks of continued facade installation work remain ahead. Large chrome-finished ducts and piping systems are being lifted and installed along the upper levels of the corner structure. These substantial mechanical components are part of the stadium's climate control infrastructure, with additional duct components staged below. Multiple major components for the roof compression ring are stored in the lateral zone adjacent to the main structure. These include large counterweight elements and the fourth radial beam, positioned alongside earlier delivered sections, indicating preparation for a significant phase of roof construction. In the northern corner area, workers have begun welding metal connection plates directly onto the black structural beams. These plates serve as critical anchor points for the vertical louver support columns that will eventually carry the facade system. The previously white structural beams in this section have now been fully repainted in black, creating visual consistency with the overall design intent. However, vertical connection points required to install the louver support systems have not yet been added. Construction continues vigorously across all major areas of the stadium, including facade louvers, mechanical systems, stair enclosures, roof compression ring components, and glass structures. Today's favorable conditions have allowed visible progress across multiple zones, maintaining momentum toward full stadium completion.